Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is a collab with the group Beauty Over 40. We do our collab the last Tuesday of every month, and this month it is the holiday party theme. And as usual, everyone who's taking part in this collab, their information is going to be in my description box. Please visit them. Take a look at the different eye makeup creations that we come up with. Give them a like and let them know that Simply You Makeup sent you. And if you like what they do on their channel and you think you need to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to them. Ring the notification bell so that whenever they post another video, you will be notified by YouTube. And I start with my white pencil. I'm going to base my eyes with this white NYX pencil, because I want my look to be a little bit more vibrant today. The group Beauty Over 40 is a group of ladies who love makeup, love to have fun with makeup, love to play with makeup, and explore our creative side. That is what we are doing once a month. My eyes are based. I take it all the way to the brow bone. If you're new to my channel, my name is V. I love to create eyeshadow looks. I love having fun with eyeshadows. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you for joining me on this YouTube journey. And to all my subscribers who have been there from day one, I want to say I appreciate you also. Today's palette is going to be the Ace Beauty Falling For You, which I got in my October Boxy Charm. I am going to use that. The theme is holiday party, so I think I need something in my brow bone. My finger always does a better job. I have hooded eyes, so I always create looks that will go with my eye shape and my hooded eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna use the brush to make it better. Don't be afraid to be creative. If when you do it you don't like it, just wipe it off and do it again. Me, I don't wipe off. I just figure out how to make it work. But if you feel like you need to wipe it off, go ahead and wipe it off. Be creative in your own way, own style. Have fun. Take your palette out. Let us create something together. Don't be intimidated. And I love shimmer because shimmer makes a matte eyeshadow very happy. So there is always a shimmer in something. I put my brow bone highlighter first and also bring it down all the way here before to my natural crease, because when I put the rest of the color it makes it seamless. So that's a little trick I do. You can put it after and blend it in, or you can put it before, blend it in, and when you put the rest of the colors that you're going to use, it will be all fine. This was my first color. That's a shimmer. It is called, that first shimmer was called Apple. I'll swatch for you in the end. Now the second color I'm going to use is called Chestnut. Chestnut looks like this. Back to my mirror. I'm using the side of the brush on the edges. And now I'm just blending this way so it can be a little smoother. My third color I'm using is this color here called Persimmon. It's a pumpkin color. Since we're in October and we're doing a holiday party theme, I'm going to use that one. I think it's appropriate for the time of year. It's a matte color. I'm going to put it in the inner corner and work it back towards that deeper color. Well, that's what I planned. Let's see if that's what I do. My foundation is by JUVIA'S. That's my Real Techniques brush, and I fix the rest of the foundation that I apply with my finger on my face. So I'm gonna take the first color that I use to do my brow bone, which is called Apple. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put in the inner tear duct. My smudge brush and taking the chestnut color, which is on the outer corner, and we are going to smudge it under the lower lash line so we can finish. And a little of that orange, which is called Persimmon. Hopefully that's the name I remember it. I'm gonna put it in the, this is it, I'm gonna put it in the inner corner outwards. Okay, I am back with the complete makeup of the day, Beauty Over 40 collab for October 2021. Our theme is Holiday Party. Since this is October, I decided to do a holiday party theme with the pumpkin color in mind. So this is my look. I used the Is Beautiful and For You palette. These are the 3 colors that I use. This one is called Cherry. This one is called Chestnut. And this one is called Persimmon or Persimmon. I think that's how it is. Persimmon. This is it. And I show you in the beginning what they were. In the beginning I show you this is cherry, this is chestnut, this is persimmon. If that's not how it is pronounced, let me know in the comments below. The lipstick I'm wearing is by Milani. It is 24 Black Cherry. And it is one of my favorites. As you can see, it's almost done. Again, all the ladies' information for their YouTube channel and their Instagram channel will be in my description box. Please enjoy those looks. It is fun to create them. I am happy that I'm part of the collab. And again, to everyone watching, today's word is life. Life. Life is precious to me. I hope it is precious to you. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another video. Beauty Over 40 collab, October 2021. Go check everybody out. Let them know that Simply Your Makeup sent you. And please enjoy. And I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. Have fun with your palette. Take your palette out and do good stuff. I am enjoying this. I love it. I love it. I love it. You are a queen. You are a queen. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.